Hey guys, and welcome to another update from the item shop. So right now we still do have yellow jacket pack. However, the item shop right now is packed with stuff. So we can start off with this glider right here, which I'm a pretty big fan of. This is Sail Shark. Next thing up we have is this skin right here. And of course we have the male version of it. And yes, it comes with this backpack right here. And let's not forget about the harvesting tool. Plus the wrap, which yes, I'm not a huge fan of this wrap. Now let's go over to Peekaboo, which is a favorite, but it's pretty scary for me. However, this version of it, it's pretty cool. Gotta say, even the male version, it's pretty creepy to me. I don't know for you guys, but for me, whichever you pick, they're all creepy. Now the backpack, in the other hand, I do like the backpack. And the harvesting tool is pretty cool. And of course, we do have a few other skins. And this one as well. Let's not forget about this pretty neat harvesting tool. And some basic emotes. Waterworks, which is a must-have. Lock It Up, which I'm not a huge fan of. Let's not forget about our special offers such as Captain America, which by the way, you still got time to sign up for the giveaway. There's more winners coming right up. Which yes, it does include this emote right here. There's other skins that came back into the item shop with of course its cool backbling. And yep, we've got the male version right here. We also have this skin right here, plus this neat backbling. And let's not forget about this one as well. Plus this fireworks wrap, which I think they could have done a better job with it. However, it still looks pretty neat. And finally, this emote, which is awesome. I really like this rocket spinner. And our very last emote, which is a basic one, but hey, it's pretty cheap, so worth to have. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate, and don't forget about that giveaway.